Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've seen a few people ask this question online, so I thought I'd answer it.
Why can't I follow more than 7,500 people on Instagram?
Instagram has limits on a whole bunch of features, some of which you probably already know about, and some of which you probably don't. There is actually a maximum follower number on the platform, which means that you can't go above that number. As you may have already learned, the maximum number of people you can follow is 7,500. Instagram hasn't always had this maximum limit in place, and there are accounts with a follow count of more than 7,500 people because of that. Those accounts had already acquired larger follower counts before the limit came into place, and they were permitted to keep the larger follower count once the limit was enforced.
Why does Instagram limit the number of people I can follow?
I know it seems a little intrusive for the platform to govern just how many people you can follow, but it makes sense when you really think about it. Even when you only follow a few hundred accounts on Instagram, keeping up with content from all of them can be a tough challenge. Trying to keep up with content from 7,500 people, even when you don't engage with all of those people, would be virtually impossible. In fact, I think it would be literally, figuratively, impossible. Instagram also has the limit in place to prevent spam activity. Lots of likes, comments, follows and unfollows in a short period of time, such as an hour or a day, tends to point towards spam activity, which is banned from the platform. You'd need to go on a few proper following sprees if you wanted to accumulate 7,500 accounts in your follow count. You would be engaging in spam activity whether you wanted to admit it to yourself or not. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.